Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the AT-OME-CS31 series of Omega AV presentation and collaboration systems. The Atlona AT-OME-CS31 products are AV presentation and collaboration systems for classrooms and conference rooms. They feature a 3x1 AV switcher, 50-watt mixer amplifier, and USB hub. Powerful digital signal processing allows mixing a variety of audio sources to the amplifier, line, and USB audio outputs, as well as acoustic echo cancellation to automatically eliminate echo for remote USB audio. OME-CS31 models include unique capabilities intended for classroom applications. Ducking lowers program audio levels when the teacher speaks into a microphone connected to the balanced line input. PA Sense mutes the output when activity is detected on the public address system. Both features ensure important lesson material and announcements are heard clearly. Automated system operations based on activity with automatic display control and auto switching, or interface with a velocity control system. A low-profile enclosure allows the switcher to be mounted behind a display or under a desk or table. All three models are now available, with the major difference being the AV switching and USB capabilities. The AT-OME-CS31SA features an AV switcher with 3 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output. It includes USB 3.0 routing between 2 host ports and 4 peripheral ports. The AT-OME-CS31SA HDBT features 1 HD base T input, 2 HDMI inputs, and 1 HDMI output. The USB system integrates USB 2.0 host over HD-base-T with local USB 3.0 host port and peripheral ports. The AT-OME-CS31 SAC adds a USB-C input along with the 2 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output. Key features for the OME-CS31SA: it is a 3x1 HDMI switcher for common classroom source devices. Integrated USB 3.0 hub with 2 host ports and 4 peripheral ports. 2x25 watt at 4 or 8 ohm amplifier. 1 balanced stereo line level input and 2 unbalanced stereo line level inputs. A line level output for use with an assistive listening system. Ducking lowers program levels when audio, such as a teacher microphone, is present on the balanced input. Mute the program audio automatically when a public address announcement is detected or with a contact closure. Dual Ethernet ports and integrated network switch for data and IP control. 2 RS-232 ports for control of the switcher and other devices. 2 digital I/O ports for control from occupancy sensors or other third-party devices. 5-volt USB charging port. Unique features for the OME-CS31 SA HDBT include 3x1 AV switcher with 1 HD-base-T input, 2 HDMI inputs, and 1 HDMI output. HD-base-T input supports extension of HDMI, Ethernet, power, control, and USB 2.0 data up to 330 feet or 100 meters. USB system integrates USB 2.0 host over HD-base-T with local USB 3.0 host and peripheral ports. Unique features for the OME-CS31 SAC include 3x1 AV switcher with 1 USB-C input, 2 HDMI inputs, and 1 HDMI output. USB-C port supports AV input, data, and device powering up to 60 watts. The OME-CS31 products are ideal for modern classrooms and meeting spaces that benefit from an all-in-one presentation solution that includes AV switching, audio mixing and amplification, USB routing, and display control. In addition to AV switching, audio amplification, USB routing, and control needed for modern classrooms, the OME-CS31 SA provides additional features for education environments, including ducking program audio for the instructor, line output for assistive listening systems, and muting the system for public address messages. The ATOME-CS31 HD base T has many of the same features as the base model, except one of the HDMI inputs is removed and replaced with the HD base T input. This allows source signals to be extended when they reside in a lectern or table in the room, or when the switcher is mounted in the ceiling area by a projector. The ATOME-CS31 SAC has the same features as the base model, except for the addition of USB-C as an input source. To find out more about the AT-OME-CS31 series, go to Atlona.com.